And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya government has instructed the Director of Tourism to form a committee comprising representatives from various departments such as tourism, law enforcement, police, state administration and other relevant agencies, including key stakeholders like taxi associations. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma mentioned receiving a letter from the Tourist Taxi Association outlining their concerns, and this prompted the formation of the committee. The committee's goal is to assess the current situation, gather input from all stakeholders, including taxi drivers and associations, and provide a thorough report.
Letter from the Taxi Association, and I'm aware about their concerns. And of course, there are a lot of issues that are there that they have mentioned. So I've directed the Director of Tourism to form a small committee where we have members from the tourism, the law, police, district administration, and other departments concerned, and more importantly, the stakeholders themselves, to really come up with the full comprehensive analysis of what this entire sector and how the taxis are being impacted, what are the suggestions and solutions that we have in front of us, how many taxis are there, how many tourists are coming in. So we want to come out with a decision once we are able to really assess the situation in a detailed manner and give a fair chance to all the stakeholders to express their concerns about this issue.
The